Okay, so next topic is to focus a certain uh, person in your picture. Okay, so the first thing to do is uh, duplicate the background layer. So by dragging it to new window, new layer. Okay. Okay, so we have here a duplicate layer, parehas. Okay, so kahit tanggalin nyo po yung layer visibility, parang wala pong nangyari kasi parehas na parehas. So yan. Okay, so tanggalin muna natin yung background copy and bablur natin tong background. So by using filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, tapos lakayan natin yung blur. So hanggang sa okay na po yung blurred. Yeah. Okay, and restore natin yung background copy sa taas niya, no? So parang pinatong. So parang bumalik lang, pero actually yung background is blurred, napapatungan lang siya ng background copy. So next is kung gusto natin i-blur yung background, so just erase natin the background portion po dito sa background copy. Using eraser, yung hardness natin, take that to 0% to have a soft brush. Okay, so brush up lang natin yung background, yung gusto nating i-blur. So just erase yung portion ng background na pwede nyong i-blur. So this create focus dun sa isang image, part ng image nyo. Okay? So ganyan lang po yung paggagawa or pagsiset ng focus sa isang image. Okay? So parang pag tinanggal natin yung background layer, so ganyan lang ha, no? So we have used soft brush para hindi masyadong halata yung not so fine details. Okay? So I hope you learn from this technique. Thank you.